go.
So we won the last 2 games.
Yeah.
We're going for 3.
Let's
Hopefully
go.
it works.
Fishy.
We've been lucky with try hard so far, but I don't know if that's gonna last.
There was one in the last game.
Not really.
Oh wait, so that was Angel. They did good. So Red's already got a really good defense. They got Instone and Wood already.
Go for somebody if they have any. Okay, nobody has bridge mid yet, so we bridge ourselves. To who though? Green
Yellow.
looks like a threat. They're going to both sides. I'm gonna go for them. Oh, I just block glitched. No, don't go for red. Go for green.
Hot, you said go for twice.
Let's go for blue.
Alright, I'm gonna go get him right now. I'm getting him right now, guys.
Nice fireball, buddy. Glad that you left me.
I'm go for in blue, guys. I'm gonna get.
I could have gotten that.
Guys, I'm getting blue.
Stop. Okay. Just go for green. I guarantee you they were gonna come for us before we went for them.
What kind of bad defense do they have?
It's a mixed bag. It's like stained clay.
Okay, well I'm gonna get a
wood and
pickaxe.
stone. Goodness gracious, I don't even know.
I'm gonna get an axe.
Wow, you're laggy.
Who?
This guy. Love it how none of them fall off from that. That's fun. Okay, red. Okay, red. Nice fireball. I don't know why you're even doing that.
Why do people do that?
I don't know. It's so stupid. Fishy, why do you have to build so high? Dear God. You just fireballed that for no reason. Wow.
So which better one?
Okay,
which better am I going to get?
I lied. That guy just jumped off.
Which bed do you want me to go get?
Go for red now.
Red? Okay, well they're bridging.
Holy crap. Jesus Christ. That is the definition.
Oh my God. My invis and my magic milk just all disappeared.
That is the definition of almost dying from a cough.
That's the definition of what it sounds like to 12 packs of cigarettes.
Please don't make me laugh again. I don't need it.
Aha, very funny.
Oh dear God. I just
died.
I died inside.
There's a blue at our base.
Oh, really?
I can't hit him. He's using hacks, guys.
Jesus Christ.
There's 2. They respawned.
Why do you have to be like this?
Because I'm funny, right?
You're not, though.
I'm gonna change my skin real quick.
To what? What's the next garbage can skin you're using?
Okay, I fixed it. Do you like my skin?
Is it back to your old skin?
No, look. Do you like it?
I'm not looking.
It's red now.
I have some business to go to. It's invis, okay? Oh, yeah, that just works. That just works that way. Okay, yes. Yes. I knew that was gonna happen. That's just the way it
got
works.
robbed. Here, do you want to use the invis?
They just get magic hits whenever they want. Oh, look, here they come. I'm surprised you don't build. You suck, though. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna sit down there and do nothing. What are you gonna do?
Don't forget to drink the magic milk, because that's a necessity.
You're gonna sit over there? Yeah, you probably are. You're not gonna move. That's what they do. You're gonna sit there and do nothing. Alright. Yes, do that. I have tools. Okay, do you think you're gonna get through? Like, you're not going to get through. Alright, I'm coming back, Fishy.
Bare necessities. bare necessities.
Why are you singing that?
Because it's a good
Fishy,
song.
I'm up here. Of course, he goes for me!
Okay, I got my skin ready.
Okay, now we can
Camouflage.
invis. Does anybody have invis?
No,
God dang it.
I think Angel does.
Angel, you have invis? She does! Oh. Do you want it? Okay, yes, please. Thank you. I will not let it down. I will not let the team down unless I get tryharded, but you know.
Wait a second.
I'll probably get tryharded. Watch.
Get out of here.
Why did you do that?
Because. Don't you have jump?
I know, but still, I can't reach it now.
Okay.
Okay, no, I can. Okay, thank God. I thought you ruined everything there. Not gonna lie.
It's not like you didn't have a jump potion or anything.
How do you know?
They might have a trap.
They don't. They haven't built Diamond Gen.
Oh.
Oh, they have on the other side.
Well, yeah, they probably have a trap.
There's no way you should have known, though.
I'm going back
Why did you
to base
fireball
because
this bridge? God.
Because I was killing somebody.
No, you didn't do anything. You made it worse.
I mean,
Now this tryhard is building as high as he can. Because, you know. Alright, just go past him.
it's not like I just went and got 7 emeralds or anything.
Who else? Who fireballed that?
There's a dude.
Angel, I swear to God. There's no freaking way. Red is trash. I just want to let you know that.
Yeah, I just killed one of them.
No, but Angel jumped down to get their bed. Instead, the kid that's there decides to look up at me the entire time instead of look at the bed that's being destroyed.
That's pretty sick.
So, thanks for the free bed.
Well,
I appreciate it.
There's potions in the chest if you want.
I mean, do we really need them at this point? I'll
I
take
mean,
them, but
no, but I already bought them.
yeah, you're right. I'll use them. Why not? I'll die with them again. Watch.
Oh, well, yellow team
One
just
left.
disconnected.
Alright. Do I even need them, or are you gonna finish it? Let's see. Where did he
I
even
don't know
go?
where they're at.
Where did he even... Oh, I see him.
Where'd they go?
He's on Yellow's base, doing whatever the heck he's doing. I don't even know what he's doing. Okay.
Let's go. Oh,
I'm
wait,
not
I
doing
can't
that.
go over there.
I'm gonna go the other way.
Well, I wasted the potions again. Terrific.
Yeah, you did.
Let's go to Yellow's base.
We don't really have a choice.
I mean, we could just throw the game, but who would do that?
Why would we do that? For
I don't
what
know.
reason? Actually, use this one first. They're fighting in there.
Alcohol.
Oh, okay. Angel almost got him. We can get him. I can get him if you don't.
Alcohol.
I'm up above him. Oh wait, I can get up there.
They have a really weird skin.
How do you know that I'm there? Like, he's looking away and all of a sudden he turns around. I'm still invis, by the way.
Maybe they're using aimbot.
Not only that, I legit was... like, he was looking away from me and still hit me. I don't understand that. This game. This game sometimes.
Let's just bridge to yellow through middle.
I would do that, but... Be too
Flat
obvious
bridge
to him.
style. Hey, look, I did it.
Oh, well. Maybe you can finish it.
No, I can't.
Ink, he says. Oh. Wait, yeah, he's right. That kid
Oh, he's at her.
left.
Is he at our best?
My guess is he went green. Oh, yeah, he is at our bed.
Oh, sick.
That's not sick. Oh, wait, there he is. He's on the run. And he's dead. Game over. The fireball always will prevail.
Whose fireworks are that? I just saw someone's dragon fly.
It's me. Good game, good game.
Ugh.
At least we're getting good maps too. We're not getting garbage maps.
Isn't this the same map from last game? No, it's not.
I mean, don't jinx it. Okay. What just happened?
Yeah.
Ah.
My pinky hurts and
How does that work? Alright, green is coming. Red came mid and went for yellow immediately. Go for red. Go for red right now.
Okay.
Yep, that's why. We got some sweats. Alright, yep.
That's what you get for jinxing it.
I didn't jinx it.
You said it's not sweat hour like 12 times.
Yeah, like a long time ago.
Exactly.
A long time ago.
Okay.
my hands are freezing. Yay.
Let me guess. Red's gonna nope, they're gonna go for green. Okay. Well, they're giving us as much time as possible to go for them, so I'm gonna take it. Looks like I don't have to because somebody is breaking in. Looks like with the sword.
Yes, that's me.
You're
So I didn't have
not
a
smart
pickaxe.
at all. What are you doing?
Not having a pickaxe, this is what I'm doing.
That guy got knocked back.
Over.
Oh yeah, you have reach.
Who?
Magenta Sheep has reach.
Of that kid?
Yes.
Just let me pull up my auto clicker real quick. Just kidding.
Why is green coming for us? What reason do you have to come for us? Red just tried to rush you 6 times. Our bed's gone by freaking... Oh, never mind. Oh, what?
Maybe it is. Okay, B.
They were attacking him as he was breaking the blocks. What?
Yes, I know.
It's not how that works, but okay.
You're right, that's not how it works.
Well, yeah. Good job, green. Did you get what you wanted? Good one. They probably got exactly what they wanted.
Let's go. Let's go.
They got exactly what they wanted. To be trash. Yeah. Nice fireball.
Let me just jump. Oh, thank you.
That's a miss. Yay.
Let me just buy a pickaxe. Hello, person.
Hi. I'm ruining my voice again, but okay. My lungs.
Red's behind you.
Me?
And in front of you.
Oh.
They're just gonna fireball with swords in their hand the entire time.
That's great. I quit.
Oh, frick, it's just me.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, you have a squad of tryhards
There's a red
behind
behind you.
Yeah, you have a squad of tryhards behind you, so have fun. Yep, that's what I thought was gonna happen.
Oh, that was me
Behind
that
you,
did that.
yep, right there.
Bye, fishy.
And
That makes no sense.
click play again before the freakers. You decide. Okay, good. They can't be in a lobby with us.
Fishy's gone.
Just whatever. Stay in.
They were like, that was the easiest game.
Yeah, you're funny. It was easy because Green decided to go for us instead of you. Like, you know.
Yes, guys.
That
I'm gonna
makes
change my
sense.
name on Sunday.
To what?
So, wait, what?
Should I upload
what?
today or no?
Hating Angel.
Oh
Yes.
dear God.